Hi there, I'm Char. Welcome back to my channel. You are in the Simple Spells for the Home playlist, and today I am going to show you how I smoke cleanse a pack of tarot cards. Alright, so I'm getting ready for a reading, and so I really wanted to cleanse my tarot. I've knocked, I've done bells, but this time it's been a while and they need a good smoke cleansing. I also want to infuse blessings into these cards so the ladies that I am reading for get a very accurate and heartfelt reading. So I have a bay leaf here, just like we've used before in the spells. I also have a little tip of salt here. Ooh, let me bring this in because I am using blue moon salt right there. That salt that we made blue with the recent blue moon. And now see, I've written my blessings on here. Oops. This is my sewing table I do this on with my Sharpie marker. So I've written my blessings on here. I've put our names on here for blessings. There's something special that binds us three women, and so with the way the emotions are going right now, I just really want to give extra blessings into this reading. So I'm going to smoke cleanse my deck. Ooh, that was just some loser sound. Now, this deck has been in place since 2005. It belonged to my mom. I have it now. And so this is kind of like one of the first tarot decks I was using. Her and I would practice magic together. Oh, nice. Self on the bottom of that. So, yep, all right. So I am going to light this bay leaf, and I'm just setting it in the salt. The reason I have the salt is to make it pure and to cleanse it and to hold the fire. It's in a little metal tin. You've got to make sure you're very fire safe with these spells. So I've got my lighter and I've got the blessing on this bay leaf with our names and what has happened to somebody has made a very generous pay it forward motion, and this is starting a whole snowball effect of wonderful and good things. So being able to extra bless is just a wonderful thing. So I will light this. The intentions are in there. They are set. Do not burn your fingers. Now that's got some smoke coming from it. So now I'll just run my tarot cards through this smoke. I'm not going to be letting them drop or fall or anything. And do a little shuffle even. Get the air right in there. Get the smoky cleanse going on the bottom. And thank you for blessing these tarot cards and the pure intentions that go into reading them and being able to give accurate messages to the recipients. And thank you for the history in here. And wow, just enhancing these, giving them a nice clean, nice little cleansing. See, I'm even like moving them. My fingers are underneath though so they don't fall in. Yeah, these guys have seen a lot of these things, so they know what to do. Fan them out, shuffle them about. Just need to get this to finish burning, so I'm just going to finish right there. Allow that to finish. Good job. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so, and that... it can be done with incense. It could be done with your choice of healing herbs. It's the intention that goes behind it. And remember, as you burn things, there's a fire hazard, but also the smoke is in the environment. So this is just one way of being able to clean cards and get a nice good start on them. Alright, thank you for watching this. Click one of these boxes, simple spells in the for the home playlist. All these different simple easy things. Tarot tips, actually this is actually a really good tarot tip as well. But my intention behind it is purely for spelling at this point, so that is why it is there. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time in the simple spells for the home playlist. Side note, this can be done at any time. If you want to enhance it, go ahead and enhance it with moons, moon phases, colors, etc., etc. This is just the basics. All right, safe spelling, bright blessings.